He's not even, look at it, he's just going from one to the next without even, look at this. He's not even trying to squeak them. And he ain't got the pep he used to have that he manages.
Goodness.
All right, y'all. Today I wanted to come out here. It is cold and it is wet, but I wanted to try out this Walther P22. Now I'm gonna be firing green tag, CCI green tag. It travels at 1070. And I'm gonna let you see what it sounds like without the suppressor. Then I'm gonna put the suppressor on it and do a little editing, and we'll listen to it with the suppressor. They said, one of the suppressor manufacturers said this is the quietest gun that they had tested, and I'm interested in finding out. Now, I don't think I've fired anything this fast in any gun, but we're fixing to find out. So let's see if I can hit the target. I've already fired a few shots, and I'm not hitting the target, so some things never change. All right, that's without a suppressor. Now let's see what it sounds like with a suppressor. All right, y'all, now it bears mentioning that this suppressor, it needs some kind of crush washer or something. It is not a good fit, but we're gonna try it out. It's got a very weak spring in it, but we're gonna find out, give it a shot, see what happens. It is not cycling, and this suppressor is wanting to come off the front of this damn thing. But it is shooting it, just not very well. I don't know what the problem is. I'm gonna have to check on that. But that is the Walther P22. Now this is an advanced armament element 2 suppressor, and I'll zero in on the target there in a minute. That's shooting as good as I normally shoot, but there is not a good fit on this here. I don't know what the problem seems to be, but there is a noticeable difference when you shoot it. It was negligible, but I thought I'd let you see it anyway. As always, appreciate you watching. Catch you later. Bye.